Whoa! It's the Illusion reporting from somewhere on Spaceship Earth. I'm in here with my sidekick, Baby Owl. High five. Boom! Shakalaka laka. All right, we are actually getting into an adventure today. So I'm feeding them some apples and avocados, and I'm getting ready. I'm reading a script. Yup, dude, right there. Hamish Patterson cast as Dane. I'm getting a special, what is it, a guest star on a TV show. I can't divulge what that TV show is, but this all just came together in the last week. So today I got to go into out into the valley, get fitted for my costume, and then the rest of the week we're shooting. So Baby Owl's gonna go with me today. I'm kind of just studying my lines. Pretty typical stuff for the Illusion here. Not that I'm on a show, but the lines. Not a real departure from me. But you know, hey, whatever, dude. We always like opportunities. So we're going out into the valley, and I don't know what we're gonna do after that. We're gonna get fitted for my outfit for the show, and then we're going from there. What do you think, buddy? More apple, more avocado. How about a high five? High five? And another piece. We're gonna try that one in. All right, let's see what's next. Well, we're here in the lobby. We're here in the lobby. Look at Alice, fascinated. That's it. We're here. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? He just got up from a nap. Everything's a car. Everything's a car. Where's the car? Did you do the what do you think? What do you think? Well, we're here at the skate park. What do you think, little buddy? Anyone excelling out there? Anyone you're clapping for? Oh, you want some more nuts, huh? Want some nuts? I got you covered. There you go. Nuts for the skate park. What do you like? What's your move? What's your jam? Here we go. Well, it's official. We're like on an official hike, trail hike. Owl's never been out here before. He's only walked down the road with me. So we're gonna go explore nature. It's kind of a rad day, dude. Look at that. He's just a trucking. All sorts of new terrain. Boom. It's my boy right there, out in nature. This is where we're going. Back up into there. Well, it's a little snack time on the side of the trail. Just hanging out, snacking on the side of the trail. Boom. Figured we went like a quarter mile in. We're probably a quarter mile. He's been trucking. Look at, he digs it. Do you like it? Fired up. Yeah. That bread looks good. Yeah. What are you all fired up about? Yeah, you like it? Well, we made it home from a complete day. Baby Al knows what to do. It's Matchbox car time, isn't it? What kind of car is that?